KGG HST built-in guideway linear actuator is a kind of high rigidity, enclosed ball screw slide table module which is driven by motor to rotate the screw and converted into linear motion by ball nut to realize back and forth motion. Linear actuator mainly consists of motor, ball screw, and guide rail device. Body width available in 40, 50, 80, 120, 150 mm. Maximum repeatability of plus or minus 5 m. With guideway embedded structure, integrating ball screw and U-shaped body, the base is embedded into the guideway. The built-in guideway linear actuator is made of high rigidity materials with high precision ground grade, which can greatly improve the working accuracy of the whole linear actuator, and the contour straightness can reach plus or minus 0.02 mm. KGG HST series built-in guideway linear actuator, using special steel belt structure design, can be effectively anti-dust. Suitable for clean indoor environment. The body is made of high rigidity, corrosion-resistant, extruded aluminum material. The body and slide are integrated, achieving higher rigidity with more compact size and lighter weight of the linear actuator. Diversified motor mounting options. Motor fold left, fold right, fold down, and direct connection, with multiple motor mounting positions to choose from. Customized stepper or servo motors with different specifications are available. The maintenance costs of the HST built-in guideway linear actuator are particularly low. Only the lubrication system needs to be checked regularly. The linear actuator has a self-lubricator device, which is designed to maintain its lubrication performance over a long period of time. Actuator installation is time-saving and convenient, no need to disassemble the steel belt. Can be fixed from top to bottom, or from bottom to top. The side of the body to increase the mounting reference surface support, the bottom of the positioning pin holes. KGG HST built-in guideway linear actuator is currently used more and more widely in the field of coordinate manipulators, logistics transfer, automatic deviation, parallel laboratory bench, medical CT gamma knife, printing and spraying, conventional automated production lines, etc. KGG, expert but with excellent cost performance in smart transmission and precise control system.